Alright, so finally got some snow this morning, about 5 inches. We'll see how much the field out here out east got. But in town we got 4 inches, so it should turn out to be a decent hunt. Birds should be pretty hungry and pretty easily persuaded, so we'll see how we do, and I'll catch you in the pit.
Kill him. Oh, get down, get down, get down. Get ready out front. Kill him. There's one right there. Nice.
Got him. You got him.
Close up real good. Close up real good. We're gonna let him land. We got 10 in front of you guys, just wait. Kill him, guys. Keep shooting, keep shooting.
For sure stone 2 on that one. And then
oh, there's one. I was like, I thought we had more.
Let's shoot the biggie.
Kill it. Get that one. Go, 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 go. There you go. Good shot. Only get two? Okay. No jewelry. No jewelry.
That's what I use, like, especially even sometimes, like, you'll pull the bolt out.
Alright, so it's after the hunt, finished up with 11. Could have shot a little bit better, and I should have called the shot on one group, but did the old classic, give them another pass, and they'll center up better, which didn't happen, but live and learn. That's goose hunting, so can't be perfect every time. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.